If I'm a person of color, though, what do I do? If I'm listening to you right now and I am like, oh my gosh, I just saw it. I just saw how I'm dividing. I just saw how Black Lives Matter is formed. But I still want to do something because I don't want to see these injustices still happening.
Okay.
What do I do?
You know what I'd say the first thing? Don't call yourself black. Don't call yourself black. I don't call myself white. I don't self-identify with white, you see. What do I self-identify with? I am consciousness having an experience through a body that happens to be white. I would be just as delighted to be having an experience through a body that happened to be black or Jewish or Arab. Don't matter to me. Asian. Don't matter to me. It's a vehicle for experience. I am the consciousness having the experience. So once you self-identify the I with a label, the cult has already got you. Because now you're seeing yourself in incredibly limited terms. What is a black person? What is a white person? It is a short experience called human. And so try this. Instead of saying I am black, I am white, I am whatever, I am all that is, has been, and ever can be, having an experience called a black body, a white body, an Asian body, whatever. But that's all. Why are we, who are an expression of an infinite flow of consciousness, limiting ourselves in our self-identity to I am black or I am white? Once you say I am white and I am black, now divisions can occur. Whereas if I am an expression of consciousness in a white body, you are an expression of consciousness in a black body, the connection is we're the same consciousness having different experiences. That's the point, that we connect. Not I am white, you are black. We are the same consciousness having a different experience. And at that level of consciousness, we can have unity. And if I'm an expression of the same consciousness as that you are, I want you to have the justice that I have. I want you to have the opportunities that I have. Therefore, I'm not going to look at you as a black person. I'm going to look at you as an expression of consciousness in a certain situation. And therefore, if I can help you get a better situation by society changing or even me doing individual things, then that's the way to do it. But I'm doing it because you are an expression of the same consciousness as I am, and I want you to have the same opportunities. I'm not doing it because you're black. I mean, how many white people do things or say things in relation to, say, black people? Because it's not for the benefit of black people. It's the benefit of their own image, their own kind of virtue signaling. They need to be, oh, look, I'm a good person. Look what I'm saying. Yeah, but is it making any difference? No.